Waking up at 2 or 3 a.m. every night? You might think it's just age, but the truth is your body is missing one simple food at the right time. And no, it's not medicine, it's something already in your kitchen. Have you been lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling? Do you keep waking up around 2 or 3 a.m., tired, frustrated, and wondering why your body just won't let you sleep? If that's you, I want you to know you're not alone. Millions of people, especially after the age of 60, quietly suffer through the same struggle. But here's the good news. You're lucky that this video found you today. Because what you're about to learn is simple, natural, and backed by real science. And if you give me just a few minutes of your time, it could completely change the way you sleep. Now, most people believe waking up at night is just a normal part of getting older. They accept it, they live with it, and they never realize that something as small as eating the right food at the right time could bring back the deep, unbroken sleep they thought was gone forever. But today I want to show you that change is possible, and it starts with one humble fruit. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from, and what time is it right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one because your story matters. And if you care about simple, science-backed tips to stay strong and joyful at any age, make sure you subscribe to BeFitest and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next video. Now, let's talk about what's really happening inside your body at night. As we age, something changes. Your body produces less of a hormone called vasopressin. This hormone's job is to tell your kidneys to slow down urine production while you sleep. When you were younger, this signal was strong. It allowed your bladder to stay comfortable all night. But after 60, that signal gets weaker, so your kidneys keep working almost like it's daytime. At the same time, your bladder itself becomes more sensitive. It may send urgent messages to your brain even when it's only half full. And as if that weren't enough, when you lie down at night, fluids that were stored in your legs during the day flow back into your bloodstream. That extra fluid reaches your kidneys and makes them produce even more urine right when you're trying to rest. No wonder so many people end up waking multiple times a night. So what's the natural solution? Believe it or not, it's the banana, but only if you eat it correctly. Why bananas? Gentle on the bladder, unlike acidic fruits such as oranges, pineapples, or grapes, bananas are low in acid. That means they won't irritate your bladder lining, which becomes more delicate with age. Potassium power, a medium banana has about 400 milligrams of potassium, which helps relax the smooth muscles in your bladder wall. That way, you don't get those false alarms telling you to rush to the bathroom. Magnesium magic? Bananas are rich in magnesium, which calms both your bladder nerves and your mind. It helps you slip into deep, restorative sleep. Sleep chemistry boost? They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid your brain uses to make serotonin and melatonin, the very chemicals that help you fall asleep and stay asleep. But here's the key. How and when you eat it matters. The best time is between 5 and 6 p.m., about an hour after an early dinner. Eat just one medium-sized ripe banana yellow with a few small brown spots. Don't eat it too green. It may cause bloating, or too overripe. It may spike blood sugar and disturb sleep later. Eat it at room temperature. Cold bananas can irritate the bladder. And eat it alone without tea, milk, or watery foods like cucumber or watermelon. Want to make it even more effective? Pair your banana with 5 to 7 roasted almonds. Almonds are full of magnesium too, and together they make the perfect early evening snack that calms your system. But be careful of these common mistakes. Don't eat your banana too close to bedtime. Don't eat more than one at a time. Don't pair it with diuretic drinks like tea, coffee, or even green tea. Avoid watery or salty foods after 7 p.m. because they'll make you thirstier. And please skip that just-in-case glass of water right before bed. It almost guarantees you'll wake up. So here's my challenge for you. Try this for just 3 nights. Eat one perfectly ripe banana in the early evening, avoid those problem foods, and don't drink fluids late at night. Pay attention to how many times you wake up, how rested you feel in the morning, and how your energy changes throughout the day. You might be surprised how one small shift in your routine can give you back the gift of deep, peaceful sleep. And now I want to hear from you. If this message gave you hope, type the word HOPE in the comments. You never know, your one word might encourage another person who's silently struggling through sleepless nights. Share this video with a friend or loved one who needs better sleep. And don't forget to subscribe to BeFitest for more natural, science-backed tips that make life after 60 healthier and happier. May tonight be peaceful, may your sleep be deep, and may your mornings be bright and full of energy.